Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The yen hit three-month lows against the dollar, remaining under pressure as an election loss by Japan's ruling coalition raises political and monetary policy uncertainty, while the US dollar headed for its biggest monthly gain since April 2022. Oil prices tumbled 6%, or more than $4 a barrel, after Saturday's retaliatory strike by Israel against Iran's military bypassed oil and nuclear facilities, not disrupting energy supplies. Both Brent and US WTI crude futures hit their lowest since October the 1st. Wall Street rose ahead of a packed week of earnings from mega-cap companies and the final stretch before the November the 5th election, while sentiment also improved after energy supplies were not disrupted by weekend developments in the Middle East. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upward correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 1.8% following a 2.7% intra-session dip. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The US consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings at 14 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Irish retail sales will be released at 11 GMT. The Austrian Purchasing Manager Index at 9 GMT. The Belgian Gross Domestic Product at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.